28th September 2019. Road trip from Bangalore to Nashik, Nashik to Mumbai, and Mumbai to Goa, Goa to Bangalore back. So here we go. Namaskaram everyone. It's 12:59 in the afternoon. Yes.
Are you gonna drink coffee or tea?
Coffee.
What?
Yeah. So we started quite late from Bangalore. We started at around 7:45 in the morning. As usual, we always end up getting late. The target was to leave at 6 in the morning, which eventually became 7 and 7:45. There's a lot of traffic, obviously, because we started late, and Saturday being a working day for a lot of people in Bangalore. So traffic had started, and then now we have reached the cafe coffee day for Davangere. So this is the second stop. During the first breakfast stop, the battery was dead, so I couldn't record anything. I have done close to around 259 kilometers. Now I couldn't sleep much in the night as usual. Before a trip, one gets very excited and I think a little bit of anxiety as well. So yeah, I couldn't sleep properly. Although I went to bed at around 10 p.m. in the evening yesterday, but I woke up at 1:30, and after that I couldn't sleep. I'm really tired, which is very sad because every time I drive on these roads, it's the same scenario every time where I've not had enough sleep and I can't really enjoy the drive because I'm kind of sleepy. This is one of our regular stops on the way to Goa, which we keep going from Bangalore. Time to have a nice coffee and freshen up, and we'll catch you again. Time is 2 o'clock. We are just departing from Cafe Coffee Day Davangere. Next stop, we don't know. Let's see.
We don't know.
All set, everyone?
Yeah. Let's go like a choo-choo train.
Is it recording? Yes, the light is blinking. We are keeping our plans fluid. There's an option to stop at Hubli and stay overnight because we started late. The other option is to keep going and reach Kolhapur by around 8 in the evening and then stop for the night there. Tomorrow Kolhapur to Pune, another stop, and day after Pune to Nashik. That's the current plan. So let's see how it works.
So hot. AC please.
AC is full blast.
What?
Okay, it's 7:30 in the evening and we have reached Kolhapur. Finally we have booked ourselves the hotel called Rasika Renaissance. We will be staying here tonight and move on till Pune tomorrow. We took 12 hours to reach here. We started at 7:45 in the morning and we are here at Kolhapur at 7:30 in the evening now. It's an easy drive. Road between Davangere to Hubli had a lot of diversions because of some road construction going on. So that's it for now. We'll see you in the hotel room. Hello. So finally here we are at the hotel Rasika Renaissance. It's a small room, nice, good hotel. We got this for $2,000. The best part is it's just 2.7 kilometers from the Pune-Bangalore highway, so one doesn't need to go too much into the city. Looks decent, good price. See you around again. Bye. Good morning. Day 2 of our journey.
Just had breakfast.
We just finished our breakfast at Hotel Rasika Renaissance in Kolhapur. Now we'll be heading towards Pune, where we'll halt for the night today. We'll stay there in Pune today, and next.
No, we're not
Come to Pune. Okay. From Pune onwards, we'll travel to Nashik. It's a nice hotel for $2,000.
Now we
Good breakfast, food was tasty, and over 4 out of 5 rating. That's how you go to a zoo. Okay, mic test. This is a mic test for the lapel mic, which I've connected to the camera. Now let's see if this sounds any better than the usual way. Okay, so we're starting our journey to Pune. As per the map, it shows 4 hours 12 minutes distance of 235 kilometers to the next hotel that we have booked, which is something called the Park Ornate. I think it's at Shastri Nagar, somewhere near Viman Nagar, I guess. So that's the next stop. So on we go to Pune. Ta-dang. Okay, here we go. We have to go left, Nama.
Obviously.
Are the glasses up?
Yeah, glasses are all up.
Vivi, can you see the camera?
Yeah.
You can, no? So you sit.
This angle I got.
No, you sit where you can see the camera. Then only we can see you, no? Correct.
It's okay.
If you see the camera sees you. As simple as that. All set, no? We took everything? Mama?
Yes.
So how was the breakfast?
I like the breakfast. Different cuisine.
Original misal pav after a long time. It was,
I like the
I like the misal pav. I didn't like the taste of the misal. So 4 hours, how many minutes? Can you see, Mama?
11 minutes.
4 hours, 11 minutes
We'll
to
be there by
Pune.
2:30.
So, the two-wheeler traffic in these parts of the country are
Why is this
supposedly notorious. I guess that happens in every part of the country where the population is high and
In 200 meters, slight
next
left
to the highway.
National Highway.
which is the case in every part of India. Population high. Durga Ma,
Slight left onto National Highway 48.
Pune Tadka, Pune Tadka. Too much traffic on the highway, like we said. The moment we hit the highway, it's too much traffic. Very slow traffic because a lot of two-wheeler traffic. The local two-wheeler traffic, I guess. Okay, so the highway is cleared up now and we are cruising at 120 kmph. This is awesome. Today I am very fresh and awake, unlike yesterday. Yesterday I was a bit groggy, so I am having the fun. I'm loving it. Chico, I'm loving it. As you can see, nice empty highways. So in fact, I had a good night's sleep. I think that makes the entire difference. The day we started, I couldn't sleep much that night. I woke up at 1:30 in the night and I couldn't sleep after that, although I had a 4 o'clock alarm. So obviously the first part of the drive yesterday was a bit not fresh, is what I would say. I missed the first tag line. Reverse.
Closed.
Yes. It's not. You're just lazy. कुठे फास्टिंग मशीन आहे का? Must. The joys of fasting. Yes, so unlike yesterday, today I'm a lot more fresh, as in feeling a lot more fresh. And fun drive. We just had a quick chai break and bought some stuff. Eatables, rather. And off we set again. How many hours? 2 hours 23 minutes to our hotel in Shastrinagar, Pune. Awesome roads so far. Chalo. Next stop, Pune.
I'll pull you towards my side and again you go to Papa. Once I saw you about to hit him on his head.
I think there's something called Dharwad Pera or something.
It is like it.
No, Dharwad was where? Karnataka, no?
Oh, no.
Okay, I don't know about any famous peda from Satara, but these were quite nice, so we bought some. We also bought some Maharashtrian chakli. Master version of chakli. Beautiful roads. 6-lane highway now. Oh, I think I said it too soon. Yeah, it's a 6-lane highway only, no? From Satara toll gate onwards. It's a beautiful view. Wow, look at that. On the fly, air-to-air fueling.
The next left onto National Highway 48.
Thank you. Shuddha Shakahari. Seriously, as if they know we are coming. Like so many veg places. Considering we are vegetarian, it become vegetarian since the last 4-5 years. In this part of the country, as in on the highways, is lined with veg restaurants. Pure veg. Yes.
You want to see the room?
Why?
Mama's asking.
Let Mama only see. Let her decide. You go check. Okay, it's 2:38, 2:27 in the afternoon. 29th September. We've finally reached Pune. After around 4 hours of driving, I think, from Kolhapur, where we stayed overnight last night. So this is a place called Park Ornate. It's a hotel in, I think, the Bun Garden area towards Koregaon Park. I did my education in Pune in the year 94, 95, 96. So I am here in Pune after a long time. I've passed through this place a few years ago, several times probably, because I've done a lot of road trips to Bombay via bus, and I drove also. It was 2008 when I drove down from Bangalore to Bombay and back. So feeling quite nostalgic to be back in Pune and very excited and awesome because I drove down all the way, and driving is always fun. So let's check in the hotel and see. We'll roam around in Pune today evening, and tomorrow morning we'll be heading towards Nashik for first thing in the morning. Let's see how early we can start. We always say we'll start early, but it never happens. Invariably we get delayed getting ready. So today the plan was to start at 7 in the morning, but eventually we ended up leaving the place at around, I think, 9:30 or 10. I don't remember. Yes.
Done. Room taken.
Yeah.
Ready. And I saw some, what do you say? The food which they give in the hotel, which is for free. In the room, what's it called?
The in-room snacks, you mean to say?
Yeah, the free ones.
The free snacks.
Yeah, what are they called?
In-room snacks. So you want to have the in-room snacks?
Yeah, I saw.
How's the room?
It's amaze balls. Even the
Amaze balls, is it?
yes,
Huh?
it's amazing. Yeah, and even the bathroom is quite nice, but I still like Anania's Nest.
So Anania's Nest is a place in Coimbatore where we keep going often. Whenever we go to Coimbatore, that's the hotel where we stay. It's a executive business hotel. Small rooms, very good service, very nice. There's a doggy barking.
I know, two in fact.
So apparently this guys went and checked the room. So this room also is nice. We got a very good deal for some 2,000.
500?
I don't know, I forgot. I'll update the rate later.
500.
Basically we got a very good deal.
Description.
So okay, let's get in the room. Ta-da!